Skill Mill 19 is an initiative here at Mill 19 between Catalyst Connection, CMU MFI, and the ARM Institute, where we are looking to bring no-cost training to manufacturers and their incumbent workers to work on skill building and skill development and upskilling in those technology areas that they usually aren't able to advance in, and then bring those skills back to the workforce.
We need to have a trained workforce that can do manufacturing and can do manufacturing in the future. And that means the embrace of robotics and automation with workers working together in a smart way.
From the very beginning, this initiative has included Catalyst Connection and CMU MFI. It has been important as we are both housed in Mill 19, and we both bring different skill sets into the Learning Lab to collaborate together to provide the best training and knowledge base that we can. Catalyst Connection and MFI have worked together to not only understand what the manufacturers need through surveys, qualitative and quantitative data, then taking that data and looking through it and understanding what skill sets Catalyst can train on, and then what skill sets MFI can train on, and building a course catalog together that allows these individuals to go through entry-level training into more advanced skills. The response from the workers have been amazing. They love the smaller groups where they are getting a one-on-one with the teacher to provide them actual hands-on knowledge. This isn't a lecture room filled with people. We are all getting one-on-one time and attention, and people are so excited to continue on. We've had over 600 individuals in training over the last 2 years.
We need to be agile and be able to connect our workforce to those opportunities in the future. And I think that's how the United States is going to be able to grow their manufacturing base to be able to satisfy all the needs we have in the US.